In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore a demo with HubSpot using Google's search engine, and the platform offers HubSpot.com. This walkthrough will help you seamlessly navigate the HubSpot demo request process, ensuring you get access to the tools and insights HubSpot has to offer. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in HubSpot demo and hit enter. You'll see a variety of results pop up, but we're focusing on finding the most direct route to HubSpot's demo request page. Look for the HubSpot demo link at the top of your search results and click on it. Now that you're on the HubSpot demo page, your goal is to get access to their free demo. Locate the button that says Get a Free HubSpot Demo. Clicking this will take you to a form where you'll fill in your details. These details are necessary for customizing your demo experience, so ensure you have them handy. Once on the form page, the first field you'll encounter is First Name. Click on the text box and type in your first name. Remember, precise and correct spelling is important here, as this will be tied to your demo access credentials. Next, move on to the Last Name field. Click into the text box and proceed to enter your last name. Make sure this matches the name you use in professional or business settings, as it avoids mismatches later down the line. After that, scroll slightly to find the Email field. Click here and type in your primary email address. This should ideally be an email you frequently check, as all communications regarding your demo will be sent here. Following the email, you'll see a box labeled Phone Number. Click into this field and enter your full phone number, including any necessary area codes. Providing a correct contact number is crucial, as it might be used for any follow-ups or assistance needed during your demo. Next, you'll input your company name. Click in this box and simply type in the name of your company. This helps HubSpot tailor the demo experience to your business needs. Then proceed to the Website URL section. Click in the box and enter your company's official website address. Including your website allows HubSpot to gain a better understanding of your business setup and requirements. Finally, you're ready to request your demo. Locate the Get Your Free Demo button. Clicking this will submit your form, and soon enough, you'll receive an email with all the details on how to access your HubSpot demo. That's it! Following these steps will ensure you secure a seamless entry into HubSpot's demo, paving the way for you to understand and harness the powerful tools HubSpot offers. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and enjoy exploring everything HubSpot has in store.